And if you're not receiving payments in Stripe, it can be stressful. Your money isn't showing up and you're left troubleshooting. Yeah, this usually happens because of account verification issues, payout settings, or payment processing errors. But don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Stripe not receiving payments step by step. First, go to your Stripe dashboard and check the status of the payments. Some payments might still be pending, failed, or in review. Make sure your Stripe account is fully verified. Unverified accounts can block payouts or prevent certain payments from arriving. Ensure your bank account is connected correctly and your payout schedule is active. Incorrect or inactive bank accounts can prevent payments from being received. Check if the payment methods your customers used are supported and enabled. Failed charges may occur if a method is blocked or unsupported. If a payment failed, retry it after resolving issues. Sometimes network or bank errors can cause a temporary failure. If payments still aren't coming through, contact Stripe support. They can check backend logs and help resolve the issue quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually helps you start receiving payments in Stripe without problems. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tutorials.